Chief Justice Reynato S. Puno, Chairman and President Board of Trustees, and Dr. Nora G. Lucero, General Secretary. Reverend Jessica Alias. And a plaque of appreciation also, the same content, to Reverend David Asurco and Kami. The late Esther 2. And of course to the first translator, Don Cayetano Lukman, and Reverend also Artemio Auste. Reverend Homer Cabecilla. Marcelina Lucas Marasigan. Let us give them a round of applause. Okay, may we request the board, the members of the Board of Trustees, and the religious leaders to please stay.
Of some mission churches, the Metro Naga Alliance of Fellowship and Churches, headed by Pastor Pat Aguilar. Maybe I will call it also Bishop Toon, the head of the Church of God in Region 5.
Salamatan natin na malaki ang Panginoon sa biyayang iyon. Lalong-lalo na yung mga kabataan, para po sa inyo yung salita ng Diyos. Manalangin po natin ang mga